Smart products are allowing companies to change at such a rapid rate. We've talked about some of the opportunities for creating consumer engagement, but what other opportunities are connected products opening up for brands?
Yeah, so it's a great question, and I think last year we've all seen a shift with COVID, and it created, I guess, a lot of unforeseen situations, but it definitely helped, and I would say accelerated the adoption of NFC technology globally. And really, the result of it was this whole theory of going contactless and touching less and relying on technologies to mainly process payment. But as things started to open up and you went into restaurants and many other storefronts, you started to see the adoption of QR and NFC coupled together. So technologies were QR, some people may have understood. Digital payment, I think it was roughly, the statistic was about 45% knew about it. About half of that actually utilized it. Now we're seeing more and more terminals essentially just specifically facing on contactless and accelerating the adoption of going contactless. Now, taking that foundation and all the acceleration that COVID has helped, I think it's opened up much more engagements for us, rather than having discussions with customers that are interested in NFC around what the technology actually is. It's more around how do you utilize the technology and optimally find the highest level of ROI as a result of what you're doing. So a lot of our conversations these days, I would say through 2021 so far, have been around how do you increase the value of a customer over the lifetime of capturing them one time and then repeating it on a multiple time basis. And equally, how do you lower the cost of acquisition of a customer, that true CRM capture cost? And COVID has assisted with that, because a lot of times now when customers are walking in, they're engaging with products, their digital triggers are essentially prompting an experience and prompting an action as a result of it. So that action might be a shelf talker, so it can give you more information about the product. You might be able to register, get some kind of rebate, purchase the product. And then as a result of it, it's a digitized label or a true digitalized product. So then you can engage with the product and then essentially reorder again. So a lot of our conversations have left that surface level definition of what NFC is. And now they're more agile around how do we take this and leverage the technology for mass scale adoption.